It's streamlined everything we do using the assets feature of Weathermatic, where we've captured key codes, locations of key boxes, where the controller's at, where the backflow's at, who the contact person is, etc., etc.
I love SmartLink because it helps make everything so much more efficient. Before, just telling people what was wrong was not enough. Now we have pictures of what's wrong, especially for the customers to see that, we're not just writing things up that's not true. It's a clear picture of where it is, what's broken, and what needs to be fixed. And it really helps streamline these proposals to this customer, because the second I get done at this job site, they get the proposal with all the pictures and they know everything that's wrong with their system.
Once you are engrossed or so involved with the system and everybody's using it, it's hard to give it up. Our guys, when they go out in the field, everything is right there. It's lickety-split. They can do what they need to do and they can move on to the next client, which we've never been able to do in years past.
So it saves us a lot of time going out to even see what's wrong when it tells us exactly what's wrong, so then we can just go ahead and schedule the repair to get done, not a visual first.
Now our techs can go to a site, even if they've never been there before, pull up the inspection, look at the assets, know exactly where the equipment is. So the whole process for us is just giving us more time during a normal day to get to service more clients.